And we are back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping. Check out this amazing landscape transformation that we put together over less than a year ago for this customer. As you can see, it's summertime now, so the water has risen. We were able to put in this amazing retaining wall, and as well as this water feature, as well as design this outdoor landscape transformation. And when I came up with this design, I wanted to make sure that I gave the customer an opportunity to have the absolute best look from their sitting area. And so as you can see, this lake is beautiful and the sitting area is over here. So when they look out, now they got these beautiful lower pedalums along with our golden mop heads. But we put this retaining wall in, and we replaced what was a wooden wall, which would have been described as a timber wall. And we do have videos of that, and if you want to check those out, make sure you go to brookslandscaping.tv. But I did want to make sure I got back out here really quick and showed you guys how we made this possible. And the way in which we did that is by coming in and giving the customer more quality, more quantity than that of what's expected. And we've been able to exceed customers' expectations each and every time by giving that more than what's expected. And this was a timber wall. We came in with this beautiful retaining wall. And we also put this plant design together that allowed this customer to be able to truly have an outdoor living experience that's going to last a lifetime. And as you can see, the creek is working beautiful. It's holding water well, and it's falling down to the path of least resistance on that. And it just tells you guys, as you can see for yourself, this is a beautiful design that has allowed for the customer to be able to enjoy their outdoor living experience. And if you just want to know what the before video looked like, I'm going to take the time to show you. All you have to do is click on the picture below, rather the video below. If you're a YouTube subscriber, make sure that you're subscribed, and you can look at the following video, which will show you what this landscape looked like before we were here.